Mastering passive voice, common missteps and their fixes. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our journey towards mastering the English language. In today's lesson, we will focus on a critical aspect of English grammar, the passive voice. Specifically, we will delve into common mistakes and pitfalls, and of course, how to correct passive voice misuse. Let's start with a quick recap. The passive voice is when the subject of the sentence receives the action, rather than doing it. For example, the cake was eaten by John, instead of, John ate the cake. However, sometimes, the use of passive voice can lead to unclear or wordy sentences. Let's look at the mistakes people often make when using passive voice. One of the most frequent mistakes is unnecessary usage of the passive voice. This usually happens when the doer of the action is clear, but the sentence still uses passive voice, making it unnecessarily complicated. For example, the homework was completed by me, instead of, I completed the homework. Another mistake is the incorrect formation of passive voice. It's essential to remember the structure. Be, verb plus past participle. An error in this structure can lead to grammatically incorrect sentences, like, the cake was eaten by John. To avoid these mistakes, you need to 1. Identify when the passive voice is being used. 2. Check if the sentence is clear and concise. If not, consider switching to active voice. 3. Always ensure correct grammatical formation. Now, let's talk about one of the best ways to learn and avoid errors: peer review and feedback. When writing in English, try to get a friend or a classmate to review your work. They can help spot errors in your usage of the passive voice and suggest improvements. When reviewing each other's work, focus on 1. Checking whether passive voice is used appropriately. 2. Ensuring the sentence is clear and not unnecessarily complicated. 3. Verifying the correct grammatical structure is used. This practice will not only help you spot and correct mistakes but also improve your overall writing skills. And that wraps up our session on common missteps and their fixes in using passive voice. By identifying and understanding these pitfalls, you can effectively improve your English language skills. Remember, practice and peer review are key. Here's to a journey of continuous learning. See you in the next video.